Hi and welcome back to this channel, and thanks for viewing this video. So today we are going to do a very simple exercise, and that exercise is going to be to create a Java program that will allow us to display natural numbers. So the user must be able to key in a number, and then the program is going to display natural numbers according to the value entered by the user. So let's jump right inside the code. So I need to start by declaring the input object. So as usual, I'm going to do static scanner console new scanner system.in semicolon, and then import the scanner class. So after doing that, I need to declare the first variable, which is going to be called number. So this variable is going to hold the value entered by the user. And then I'm going to write my output statement. And inside the quotations here, I'm going to say the first, then concatenation number, concatenation natural numbers. Okay, so here I'm getting an error because I need to initialize this variable number right here. All right, so and then I'm going to write number console.nextInt. So this is to allow the user to key in values inside the program. Now, after doing that, I'm going to write my for loop statement. So I'm going to say int. So this is going to be the loop initialization expression. So I'm going to say int I equal 1. And then the condition must be I less or greater, less than or equal to number, the variable number, and then I plus plus. This, open the braces, and in here I'm simply gonna write an output statement that will say print line, and I will say I like this, then semicolon. So instead of saying print line, then here I'm simply gonna add some space, something like this. All right, so this is it. So now when we are going to run this program, you will see that the program is going to prompt the user to enter a value. Let me say, for example, 5, and then press enter. Now you can see that I have 5 natural numbers appearing in the console. Now if I run and then enter like the value 10, for example, and then press enter, I'm going to get 10 natural numbers in the console. Like if I type in 20 and then press enter, I'm going to get 20 natural numbers in the console. So this is actually how the program works. So it's a very simple and easy program for beginners. So guys, that was it. Thank you for viewing. I hope this video was informative, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. So let's meet in the next one.